I'm Andrew Reed of A Brilliant Shine. We're here in Amelia Island, Florida, taking care of 86 cars for Gooding & Company Collector Car Auction. We are supported and endorsed by Lake Country Pad Manufacturing as well as Griot's Garage Car Care Products. We chose the two companies that we feel have the utmost quality products that we can bring to the consumer and give them 100% expected results, and we blow past their expectations.
So we got all the cars done over at the Gooding auction. JD and Drew are still over there. They're going to continue to wipe down the cars as all the spectators come and take a look at them. It's the first day of viewing, so we pretty much got to be there all day. Andrew, myself, and Connor stepped away to take care of a paint correction over here at a private client's house, and we're getting that together ready for tomorrow for the Werks Reunion. All right, so we finished up that 911 Targa over at the house that we were at. Now we're at the Werks Reunion. We got Gunther Works here, we got Kelly Moss, we got Singer Porsches, and we're taking care of some stuff.
Yeah, we've got a private client here that we just finished up doing a paint correction on for this show specifically, after just finishing up 80 cars for Gooding & Company, with our help from Lake Country Manufacturing, sponsoring all of our pad uses. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, well, we came over to the Griot's booth. That 911 that we were doing was shown in the Griot's booth, and obviously you're endorsed and sponsored with Griot's Garage. So we came over here to see the guys wipe down the car, make sure it's prepped, and then well, we wanted to go over by Kelly Moss and see their new 911.
Yep.
Connor details for Kelly Moss back in Wisconsin, where we're from, and we're talking about possibly taking that thing out later. So hopefully that happens. I think that would be tomorrow. We're trying to get that all in the works, but that'll be another great thing.
That would be fun.
Yeah. But we're gonna walk around here, touch up that car one more time, and then head back over to the auction because we only got maybe 20 minutes before the auction starts.
And doing that car in a downstairs parking garage was not exactly the best light source, so we have a lot of QC to do.
Yep.
We'll check it out. We'll get you guys filled in on the final product.
Second time, third, and last time at $1.025 million. All that. Sold your car.
So it's our final day here at Amelia Island. We're at the Cars and Coffee. Been working all week, so it's time to relax, right?
Yeah.
Cool cars.
It's nice to kind of wander around, just see what's going on, and actually not be rushing all day long and actually enjoy ourselves for a minute.
So yeah, let's go check out some cars.
So Dave and I were just kind of having some R&R here, wandering around the golf course. Turns out there's a bit of a parking lot show today, so we found some people we knew back from Madison, and they brought their cars out. It's pretty slick cars, so we're gonna see if they want to go do something with us later today.